Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. Today we are making Ghana oven baked chips. This recipe came out so nice and delicious. Let's get started. Into a bowl, I will go in with my soft flour. So in all, I use 5 cups of soft flour. I then went ahead to add my grated nutmeg. After that, I went in with my milk powder, which is optional. I also added a tablespoon of sugar. I then went in with a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder. So I went ahead to mix everything until they are well combined. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. We make anything related to food recipes on this channel. So next, I went in with my margarine. If you have butter, you can also use it. So this margarine was in the fridge for some time, and I'll go ahead and then mix it together with my flour until everything is well combined and we get this breadcrumb like texture that we are looking for. While this is going on, I want to use this opportunity to appreciate my new and returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for always using your precious time to watch my video and also leaving a comment under my post. I'm truly grateful and I appreciate all that you guys are doing. Thank you so much and God bless you. Okay guys, so at this point the margarine is well mixed with the flour and you can see the texture too is just perfect for this. So at this point I would then went in with my blended onion and garlic. I did not add any water again to mix it, so I'm going to mix until a dough is formed. And thank you so much if you have watched up to this point. Please don't forget to give this video a like and also share this video to reach more audience. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do and click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. You can watch me on Facebook and also watch my detailed short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube short as well. The name is Kate Cooks. So guys, at this point, our dough is beautifully formed. I will then set this aside, let it rest for some few minutes before rolling. Moving forward, on my working surface, I then went ahead to spread some flour and then took one part of the dough, then roll it. So I'll roll it until I get the thickness that I'm going in for. So now I'll just trim the edges of the dough. And then go ahead to cut them into the shape that I want. So any shape is allowed for this dough. So you can cut it anyhow you prefer. So I went in for this rectangle shape. You can also go in for any diagonal, any shape you prefer. So you can see the thickness of the dough as well. It's not too, I didn't roll it too thin. This is just perfect. I'll go ahead and arrange this in my baking tray. Okay, so our baked chips is nicely arranged on the tray, and I've already preheated my oven. So I baked this at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And after baking this, guys, this is the lovely outcome of our oven baked chips. This turned out so nice, guys. You will love it when you give this a try. Just see how perfect it came out to be. And this tasted so good, guys. You need to try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. So guys, just check how flaky our Ghana oven chips came out. This was so flaky. Just look at it, guys. This is so good. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next upload. Bye.